Welcome. This is our next day of our energy challenge, and today we are focusing on meditation. And meditation can have an amazing effect on your life. As you all know, that I have survived the Tubbs fire here in California after losing everything in the fires, my home, my clothing, all computers and such. I brought back a really important piece to my life, and that was meditation. So meditation really helps me soothe the brain waves, clears out the neurotransmitters, well, actually ignites the neurotransmitters in the brain and actually clears out some of those fogginess that I feel or I felt during the day. So meditating can help you reduce stress. It really makes you feel better vibes. And sometimes it will even help you release anything you're holding on to. So it has been scientifically shown to prevent diseases. Meditation techniques can really help maintain your health, increases blood circulation, lowers your heart rate, less perspiration, and it reduces anxiety and stress. So today we're going to meditate. And what we're going to do is you can decide if you want to sit up. I like to sit up in a very simple chair. When I meditate in the morning, I get back into my bed and I sit right nice up and tall in my chair. So I want you to sit up nice and tall, and you can do it right now wherever you are as long as you're not driving. Close your eyes. I want you to take a few deep breaths. And then start to notice your breath in your nostrils, breathing in through your nose and out of your nose. And then as you feel the breath flowing in and out of your nose, I want you to notice the feet, both your feet, on the earth, on the ground. And as you notice your feet, I want you to allow your feet, your toes, your legs to relax. And through that, you'll feel this grounding energy, this relaxation, this connection to Mother Earth. And then start to let your mind's eye notice your hands on your thighs. You can notice any energies around your knees, your thighs, your hips. And then begin to breathe into your lower belly and the bowl of your pelvis. You can imagine this bowl of the pelvis being filled with positive energy, breathing as you breathe in, breathing down into the belly button, really pushing your belly button forward as you breathe in. And as you breathe out, you can slowly start to allow the belly button to come back towards the spine, back towards your back body, your kidneys. Breathe in, your belly expands forward. And breathe out, your belly button starts to pull back in towards your spine. Breathe in, you're going to start feeling your breath, the top of your chest. And just notice what you're feeling in the center of the chest, the heart chakra, Hridaya chakra. And then you can breathe up into your throat. If you practice the ocean breath, Ujjayi breath, start to constrict your throat and breathe in and out of the throat and the nose. Then start to notice the hair on your head, if you have hair. Notice the air that's touching your cheeks. Notice your clothing along your body. If you're wearing shoes, notice the shoes on your feet. Continue breathing in and out, 5 more breaths. You can use an affirmation. I am exactly where I need to be. I am willing and open to receive. I am in the perfect spot, resting and creating openness in my body. And then when you're ready, you can flutter your eyes open. And I suggest that you create a meditation routine for yourself. I have specific days I know that I'm going to do my meditation. Now that I do meditation, my body just wakes up about 5:30 in the morning, anywhere between 5:30 and 6, depending on whether it's light or not. So create yourself a ritual. I like to get up, wash my face, brush my teeth, and then sit down for meditation. You don't have to have any specific thing. I want you to keep it as easy as possible. Okay? Have an amazing day, night, or evening. Namaste.